Hey you guys, what is up? What's good? How's the vibe? How y'all doing? You doing all right? Great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I drop. In today's video, I have some gel polishes that were sent to me by the nail addict who is currently transferring over to, or I should say rebranding to, the Nail Reserve. They have sent me quite a few beautiful springy summer colors. We're doing a space theme, like alien space theme. I do have my short nails done already. I have my maximum square by Couture. I went ahead and buffed off the surface shine. And make sure your nails are prepped and ready. I'll put my prep steps on the right hand side. I have some beautiful options here. Okay, and if you are interested and you do want any of these colors, they did have a 70% off sale. I'm not sure if that's still going on. Depends on when this video goes up. But just look at all these beautiful colors. I just love them. I had so much fun playing with this set. I am going in first with my base coat by the Nail Reserve. So on all your nails, go ahead and apply one coat of your base. You're also going to get a little palette and you're going to put all the colors on that palette. After you're done applying your base, give that a 30-second cure in your light. Once that base is cured, now I'm going to go in with this beautiful blue. It's called Blue is the One, and it's actually like a sapphire blue. It is a sheer blue. So what I did was I went in with one coat of that. Once you have the color on of choice, go ahead and cure that for 30 to 60 seconds. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get you out. Oh, Jesus. You're gonna go ahead and get out a gel brush and a dotting tool. Sure you have some isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna use my watermelon slip by Couture. Y'all already know that's the best. Here's my palette. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of my colors again. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the names really quick. So this one here is Blue is the One. This beautiful pink is called Bliss Pink. This orange is Text Me Later. This green is called Second Chance. This teal is called Siesta Extra. Purple is called Friday Nights. Beige is called Sugar Magnolia. This yellow is called Spicy Sahara, however you want to say it. This bright reddish pink is Electric Red. And then this purple is called Breaking News, a lilac. I also have my base, my no wipe top coat, and my matte top coat here. All right, you guys, I went ahead and started on the nails. That way it didn't take too long and you guys wouldn't get too bored. So this is what we're doing. Kind of like spaceship, space, aliens, that kind of vibe. All I'm doing is taking the colors, making circles, making like the planets, different colors. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be the color of the planet. Make whatever colors you want, mix them together, put it on there, slap some stickers on there, and bam, you got yourself the galaxy. I did wipe the tacky layer off the gel, so you're gonna want a nice like matte surface to work on. Green here, and what I'm gonna do, dab, and for this one we'll just make a big circle. So I'm dabbing it on, not actually polishing it on, you know what I'm saying? Dab, add color while it's still wet, kind of, swirl in the colors that you want. Make it funky, make it whatever you want to freaking make it. It's super easy and it's cute. And the stickers definitely just pull everything together. I put wet gel on wet gel, so it kind of marbles together and looks like the earth or a planet. So I'm just taking it. Now I'm not doing it too thick because I know it won't cure. Once you get your planets where you want them, let's go ahead and do one right here. We're going to do a small one. We'll make one here on the side. You want it to be kind of round, but not like perfect, because planet isn't perfect. It is rocky. It is hilly. It's heely. A heel. It's a heely. It's full of rocks. Plus, we don't know what is on the other side of the dimensions. We don't know. It could be rainbows and unicorns, for all we know. See, you have something kind of like that. You're going to do is take a liner, and I'm using my Couture Sailor Magic art brush, and I'm dipping it into that white. So I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna go from like here and just pull it like so, and then you kind of want it to go thinner like that. So it looks like a planet, you know what I mean? Around. Like that. Like the dotting tool, you can go into any color that you want, and I'm gonna make like some little stars here, here, and here. So all these stickers, they glow in the dark. Do a full cure. We're done with that part. I have an alien head here and I want to use it. Oh, here. I made a 3D alien out of glow-in-the-dark poly gel. I put 3 little Fimo flowers for like her bouquet head wrap, and then her eyes are a cat eye gel that I used with black liner. So we're going to use her as a nail charm, and I think I'm going to put it right here. So I'm not going to add anything to the top part of this nail. Let's see, we'll put him up here like it's fixing to land. Here's the Little Dipper. I believe I have the Big Dipper on the small set, but we'll put the Little Dipper on there. Put this like alien symbol down here at the bottom. There he goes. There's the moon. Okay, so last but not least, I am going to go ahead and I'm gonna take my Nail Addict Nail Reserve matte top coat. Y'all already know. I just think stuff like this looks better matte, and I don't know why I do a lot of matte sets. I just do. I really like matte. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and go over all of these nails, sealing in all those stickers, sealing in all the gel. Just seal in everything. Make sure you cap your free edge, of course. All right, go ahead and give that a full cure. And that is how short sport length is. Guys, these are super freaking tiny, but I know a lot of you will appreciate it because these are shorter than the ones that I was using. And I know a lot of you did mention that those were still too long. So that's why I did a shorter set. The press-ons, after they've came out of the light, the top coat has been cured. Remember that these stickers glow in the dark. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply my little alien here. Taking my DIY gel by Couture. I'm gonna apply him right here. So I'm gonna put quite a bit of that on there. Up his little tail right there. And give that a cure. All right, you guys, are you ready for the final reveal of my space alien galaxy nails? So here is the one side. I did add a couple more stickers to a couple of them. Okay, and look at this side. This side is so cute. They're all from SHEIN except for the one I made, which really doesn't go with it, but it's cute. So there we go. They're alien galaxy planet inspired nails. Hope you guys did enjoy this. Would you guys rock these? Look how cute. They are really, really cute. I do like them. And then this again is the maximum square, which I really like. You already know I love the shape and length. I love, love, love it. So let's see what they look like when the lights are out. All right, there we have it. Look at that alien and look at that ring. So all the stickers are glowing, as you can see. Look how fun. Let me know which one you guys prefer. Let me know. Is it the short style alien planet galaxy inspired, or is it the long one, the long set? I also want to say a big thank you to Nail Reserve for sending over these polishes. You guys already know I give them 5 baby girl nails. If y'all want to check out the Nail Reserve, leave the link in my description box along with my discount code. Thank you guys once again for watching. Please don't forget, give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Sending you lots of love and light, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye, y'all.